Hey my Luna babes, today I am bringing you guys this gorgeous pink wearable makeup look just in time for Valentine's or any occasion you guys may love. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what else you guys want to see next. I'm going to start with moisturizing my face using the Skintasy face cream, which is clean and non-toxic and it's really good for you. Then right after that, I like to use their brightening potion just to help with the dark spot that I have right there on my skin that is not going away, so I'm doing all I can. Then I am using this CC cream by Thrive Cosmetics. Girl, look at my skin. It looks so glowy, dewy, and this is a clean brand as well. And I am just blending it with their Thrive Cosmetics little sponge, you guys, just to make it look as natural as possible. Then I'm using this Neutrogena healthy concealer, which is the color same of my skin, just to brighten up that area and make it look more balanced out. Since that CC cream is dewy, I'm applying this Clove Hallow pressed powder foundation all over and on my lid. So when I apply eyeshadows, the eyeshadows that I'm using are from Covergirl, and so they don't move around, you know, so they don't crease on me. So I'm gonna apply number one all over the crease, bringing it outwards to make my eyes look nice and elongated. Then I'm applying the second eyeshadow right at the bottom where I applied it, and also bringing it outwards, and whatever I have left, bringing it inwards. Applying that third dark shadow, and I'm just going to focus this on my outer corner, putting a little bit of concealer to cut the crease, and then I'm going to apply this Revlon shimmer glitter by NYX Cosmetics. I felt like adding pink would be perfect time, so it's so pretty and it looks wet at the same time, you guys. I love it. Then I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line with the darkest shadow to make it look nice, smoky, and balanced. After that, I'm just using my Revlon liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to create a nice precise wing. For the lashes, I'm using the Bella Cosmetic lashes in natural. They are so fluffy, they're so pretty. They're not natural, but they look so gorgeous. Then applying a couple coats of the Sky High mascara on my bottom lashes, and yes, this mascara does work really good. I loved it. And then I'm using this brow microfilling pen. Girl, this has been my go-to right here. I made a video on Instagram, so make sure you guys go watch it. But all I do is use this pen, and then apply a gel on my brow, and I am good. I am so good. I love this. Right here, I'm just bronzing my face with the Covergirl pressed powder foundation. It just makes me look so nice and tan. For the lipstick, I will leave you guys down below which one it is, but it's by Revlon. It's creamy and matte. I freaking love it. And just applying some concealer because I want to apply a new lipstick, so I'm just applying with some concealer. Here's the little trick for y'all to make your lips look nice and nude without adding a nude lipstick. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys love it so much. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share with your friends if they love the pink color. Leave me your comments down below. What do you guys want to see next? And I'll leave you guys some more videos right here so you guys can keep on watching. See you later.